Alright, so before I post about the DNA that was privately done and what was said in the group about the whole DNA thing, the plans and everything, there are some influential people on Twitter that made some tweets about this DNA. Now, you see these people, I'm going to be calling your names. I'll give you 24 hours to defend your credibility, to defend your brand. 24 hours to defend your brand before I make my post. First person is Mbah. Mbah, you have 2.3 million followers. You are one of the most influential person on our Twitter page. Anything you say, it goes very far. So I would want evidence of this tweet you made. You said, DNA test result confirms Mohbad as the father. Case closed. Mbah, 24 hours to defend your brand, to defend your integrity, to defend your credibility. It would be a shame if you were paid to do this. It automatically means that a lot of things that you have been tweeting, a lot of things that you have been posting have always been sponsored. To be a shame that you people were sponsored to distract full investigation on this Mohbad issue. You have 2.3 million followers. So please, just post the evidence behind your tweet. What you saw that made you make this tweet, post it. The next person is Poojah. Poojah, I swear to God, if you don't get evidence of this thing, me, I go stay far from you. Be my guy, but man, we can't associate again. I swear to God, bro. You go break me. Because I see you like person. You know how I rate you. You don't hear me talk about you steady. You go pay me if you were also sponsored to carry this. You have over 900,000 followers. Your post goes very far. In all of the social media space, your post from Twitter, they carry and they use on all blogs. You posted this. Barely a month after Mohbad died. Just one day will make it a month. Mohbad died on the 12th of September 2023. You made this post on the 11th of October 2023. Same as Mbah. You said, now that the DNA has confirmed Mohbad's son as his son, can his team fight for all royalties from Malian music and give it to the family? And give it to the family, give it to family he left behind while the police get to the root of this matter. There are a lot of people that carried these tweets from you because they believe in you guys. And I want to believe you have an evidence. So before I post, please, to defend your brand and to show that you people were not sponsored to distract the main justice from Mohbad, post your evidence. Post it, the reason behind your tweet. Now, I would like to go back on this matter so that people can understand. When Mohbad died, the next day, we were not told waiting by Mohbad. Everybody was shocked. Because nobody was told, we started to do investigation to find out. Now, the wife made a tweet where she said that they have taken him away from me. But she no talk who took her away. She didn't say nothing. Because if you know people were by your husband, you're supposed to use your mouth talk. So immediately she said it, some people, they flew. But when we say, we don't really know. It is a simple investigative question. Because the baby is 5 months old, without no malice, I just said, this boy dey young. Okay, what if Mohbad discovers say pikin not be him own? As him discover, they can't join hands together, can't buy him so that he no go reveal the truth. Or he no go disgrace them. What if I make them buy him? It was just a simple, without malice, investigative thought. It was a thing where we say, okay, she could just say, okay, I don't do a more and see. We move on, we start to define other things. But instead, these people resorted to blackmail. Not just that, they started sponsoring promoters and influencers to counter that thing so that they will not do it. This is what these people did. And you say you want justice for Mohbad? If to say the wife and everybody just to say, nurse took this guy injection, nobody, this matter for no long like this. So please, Mbah and Poojah, I know they go for all those multiple influencers. Two of them get influence. And I want to believe that all your tweets are backed up with evidence. You go pay me, say they pay you now to push the agenda. You go pay me. And again, oh God, you see what Nigerians don't know. I'll tell you today. You think say Mohbad papa na rich man. You think say no like this case good day. Eh? You just say Mbah papa na rich man and him go in Pikin house. Go see say they don't embalm in Pikin put for ground. You just say anybody go leave that house. Police go lock everybody until they talk what happened to that boy. Even the neighbors where pass, where see, they go pick him. Until they talk what happened to that boy. And if they gather all of them, truth for come out. These people sat down, drew a map, cook an agenda, sponsored narrative because they don't want people to. It was a simple thing. Those boys were carrying Mohbad inside the car. Where wanna carry him from? What's it happen for the place where make a rush and go? Make a rush and go hospital. Who was in that house that day? All of a sudden now, everybody say very dark man leave this matter. Go punish all of now. Thunder fire all of now. Where say me they leave the matter. And all of them when they talk say the matter don't pass, it don't take. Why is it continue? Go punish all of now. For America, go check advanced country. They do murder case. They do mysterious death cases for 10, 15 years. Nonsense, inconsistent people. All of a sudden, he say, may they leave. Go punish all of now. What does it mean they leave this justice for Mohbad? Thunder fire all of now, papa. Ogun buy all of now. If they were not hiding something, it would have been easy. Poojah and Mbah, I'm waiting for you all. Peace and love, don't play. Show us the evidence. Thank you.